Hello everyone, I am Anandakrishnan. In this class, we are going to discuss about arc welding machine, accessories and safety equipments. At the end of this lesson, we will learn to explain the principle of arc welding, state the necessity of arc welding machines, compare the different types of arc welding machines and accessories, name the different safety equipment used in arc welding. Principle of arc welding. When high current passes through an air gap from one conductor to another, it produces very high and intense heat in the form of spark. The temperature of the spark or arc is approximately 3600 degrees centigrade, which can melt or fuse the metal very quickly and produce a weld. Arc welding equipment and accessories. This include the power source, electrode holder, earth clamp, earth and electrode cables and cable lugs. Arc welding power source. Arc welding power source converts high voltage low current from the main into low voltage high current, which is suitable for welding. The four main power sources are inverter set, rectifier set, transformer set and generator set. Transformer set. This is a type of AC welding machine which converts AC main supply into AC welding supply. For welding, we use a step down transformer. In step down transformer, the number of turns in the secondary coil is less than that in the primary coil. The principle of transformer is mutual induction. Let's see the working of a step down transformer. Here, the AC main supply is connected to the primary winding, which produces magnetic lines of force in the iron core. The magnetic lines of force affects the secondary winding and induces high ampere low voltage welding supply in it. The voltage at the primary coil is reduced in the secondary coil depending on the ratio of number of turns in the primary to that of secondary. The advantages are low initial cost, the welding is free from the effect of arc blow, less maintenance cost and no noise. The disadvantages are difficulty to weld non-ferrous metals, cannot use bare wire electrodes, cannot use fine setting in welding special jobs. Inverter set. An inverter set converts DC to AC using high frequency electronic switching. Working sequence of inverter set. First, the main voltage is rectified to DC. The inverter converts this DC to high frequency AC. This high frequency AC is then transformed to welding current by using a small transformer. The AC is rectified to DC again. The filters remove noise, high frequency disturbances and ripples. The control unit monitors and adjusts the entire process, maintaining ideal static and dynamic characteristics. Advantages of inverter set welding machine. It is light in weight and compactable so that it is highly portable. It consumes 40 to 50% power than traditional transformer set. Can modify static and dynamic characteristics for multi-process welding like SMAW, TIG and MIG. Excellent arc stability and smooth metal transfer. Microprocessor controlled, enabling adaptive response to welding conditions. Capable of TIG welding at low currents. Provides hot start and adjustable arc force features. High switching frequencies around 50 kHz allow real-time adaptive process control. Rectifier set. A rectifier set is used to convert AC welding supply to DC welding supply for arc welding operations. Constructional features. The constructional features of a rectifier set includes a step-down transformer, a rectifier unit or rectifier cell and a cooling fan. The rectifier cell has a supporting plate made of steel or aluminum. The plate is plated with a thin layer of nickel or bismuth, then sprayed with selenium or silicon and finally covered with an alloy film of cadmium, bismuth and tin. These layers form two electrodes of the rectifying cell. The nickel or bismuth coating serves as anode. The cadmium, bismuth, tin alloy film serves as cathode. The rectifier acts as a non-return valve. It allows the current to flow only in one direction, offering a very low resistance in one direction and very high resistance in the opposite direction. Generator set. DC welding generators are used to generate DC welding supply with the help of AC main supply. It provides welding current where electricity is not available using engine driven sets. It is used to weld non-ferrous metals effectively due to stable arc and smooth control. Let's look the working principle of a generator set. The prime mover rotates the armature between the magnetic poles. As the armature conductor cuts the magnetic lines of force, an EMF is induced. The commutator converts this alternating current generated in the armature into direct current. The carbon brushes transfers this DC output to the welding terminals. The output can then be used for arc welding operations. When AC main supply is available, a motor driven generator is used. When AC main supply is unavailable, a diesel or petrol engine acts as a prime mover. Electrode holder. An electrode holder is a clamping device used to grip and manipulate the electrode during arc welding. It is made of copper or copper alloys to ensure high electrical conductivity and durability. It is designed with insulated handles to protect the welder from electric shock and heat. The electrode is held firmly in the jaws or slots provided at the front of the holder. The electrode cable from the welding machine is connected to the rear end of the holder. The body is partially or fully insulated to prevent accidental short circuit. Earth clamp. An earth clamp is a device used to connect the welding earth cable firmly to the workpiece or the welding table. It ensures safe and complete the electrical circuit between the welding machine, electrode holder and the job being welded. The earth clamp is made of copper or copper alloys for good electrical conductivity. Welding cables for earth clamp and holder. Welding leads, also called as welding cables, are flexible insulated conductors used to carry welding current from the welding machine to the electrode holder and from the workpiece back to the machine through the earth clamp. Cable lugs. Cable lugs are metallic connecting terminals fixed to the ends of the welding cables. They are used to securely connect the welding leads or cables to the output terminals of the welding machine, the earth clamp and the electrode holder. Safety equipment used for arc welding. During arc welding, the welders are exposed to severe hazards such as electric shock, spark, heat radiation, harmful ultraviolet and infrared radiation, toxic gases and flying slag particles. To prevent injury and ensure safety to the welders, we must use personal protective equipment and safety accessories. Safety apparels or protective clothing. First one is leather apron. It protects the body and clothing from heat, spark and molten metals. It is made of heat resistant leather. Leather gloves. It is insulated gloves that protects the hands from burns, electric shock and spatters. Third one is leather cap with sleeves. It shields shoulders, chest and arms from flying sparks and hot slag during overhead or vertical welding. Leather jacket. It provides full upper body protection when welding continuously. Leather leggies and safety shoes. It protects leg and feet from falling spark or molten metal. The shoes are made of heavy leather with rubber soles. Eye and face protection. Hand screen or welding shield. Handheld shield with filter glass is used to protect the eyes and face from harmful arc radiations. Adjustable welding helmet. It is worn on the head for hands-free operation. It protects from arc rays, spatter and heat. Next one is chipping or grinding goggles. It is used during deslagging and grinding to protect from flying slag and dust particles. Respiratory and ventilation equipments. First one is respiratory mask. It protects from inhalation of toxic fumes and gases and dust particles which are produced during welding, especially in confined spaces. Next one is exhaust ducting or fume extractor. It removes hazardous welding fumes and gases from the work area to maintain air quality. Next we can look the protective barriers and surroundings. First one is portable welding screens. These are flame resistant canvas screen that protects nearby workers from arc flash and sparks. Next one is first aid box and fire extinguishers. These are essential for immediate response in case of burns or fire accidents. The fire extinguisher mainly used in welding workshop is carbon dioxide type fire extinguisher. A skilled worker must not only master the welding techniques but also possess complete knowledge of equipment, accessories and safety practices involved. Proper application of this knowledge ensures quality weld, long equipment life and safe working environment. Hope you all understood the session. Thank you.